This is shaver head off the Southern Snow Machine. It comes off with 4 wing nuts, and this part comes off. You're going to take the L-drive Allen wrench, get the big pulley off where you got some leverage. Big pulley comes off. Whitewash is on the outside. Blade wheel with the blades in it. The blades are set the height of the blade gauge. The blade gauge comes in a tool kit, and we mark a side. We want to use the same side of the blade gauge all the time. And we slide the blade gauge across the opening to the end of the blade. Usually we feel the 2 ends and not the middle, or we feel the middle and not the 2 ends, and the blade is in there perfect. It comes with a ball drive Allen wrench, and that's how you loosen them up. Blades come out. There's only one way to put the blade in. Put the blades back in. Tighten one screw so they don't all fall out on you. Not real tight. Take one blade at a time. I'm going to set it the height of the blade gauge. Tighten down each screw a little bit. Go back and check it with the blade gauge. And if it's in there, if it's not in there the way you want it, you can loosen up on a screw here, loosen up on that one, you can tap it down a little bit, around, tighten up again, tighten up the other screw, until you get the blade pretty much where you want it. Where you either feel the 2 ends and not the middle, or you feel the middle and not the 2 ends. Occasionally making a snowball, the machine does freeze up. It means the ice froze right across the top here, and you're pushing snow into the cylinder, but it's not coming out. So what you want to do is stop immediately. So it's about like that now under simulated conditions. So I'll do. Stop the machine by jamming the blades in it. Come here, clean this spout out. You're ready to go again. Always use this to stop the blades from spinning before you put this up the spout. The machine has a lifetime warranty on it, 6 years on the motor. The only way you can really hurt this machine is if you go turn it on and it goes boom because the ice is stuck into the blades. Immediately turn it off, reach under the belt guard, pull the pulley towards you, pulls the blades, it pulls the blades out of the block. You're ready to go again. Always turn the machine off, and you remove the waste piece of ice with an ice pick.